sunshine straight from heaven above. It will make you lazy, oh, make your mind crazy, oh, make you cry over some long gone lost love. New wine, the kind that makes you smile all the time. Pardon my funny grin, I'm just a new wineskin holding new wine.
Now money can't buy it, but once you try it, you'll have a lifetime supply. The Savior will give it through His Holy Spirit. A joy like a river makes you feel so fine.
New wine, the kind that makes you smile all the time. Pardon my funny grin, I'm just a new wineskin holding new wine. Pardon if I have to laugh, I've traded them old breaks of wrath for new wine.
Thorns on his head, spear in his side. Still it was a heartache that made him cry. He gave his life so you would understand. Is there any way you could say no to this man? If Christ Himself were standing here, a face full of glory and eyes full of tears, and He held out His arms and His nail-printed hands, is there any way you could say no to this man? How could you look in his tear-stained eyes, knowing it's you he's thinking of? Could you tell him you're not ready to give him your life? Could you say you don't think you need his love? Jesus is here with His arms open wide. You can see Him with your heart if you'd stop looking with your eyes. He's left it up to you. He's done all He can. Is there any way you could say no to this man? How could you look in his tear-stained eyes, knowing it's you he's thinking of? Could you tell him you're not ready to give him your life? Could you say you don't think you need his love? Thorns on his head, your life in his hands. Is there any way you could say no to this man? Oh, is there any way you could say no to this man? Jesus knew, none of them realized they were the reason he must die. Though the words they said condemned him to death at Calvary, he knew deep inside that if we could see through his eyes, then we could dare to love the way God loves. If we could see through his eyes, then we would understand the way God understands. For his eyes see through the surface right down to our knees, far beyond where we are to where we can be, if we could only see through his eyes. In God's sight, there is no black or white, 'cause it is in color that he sees. Side by side, we are so much alike, for we were created equally. And though years and time have built walls and lines between us, I'll always believe that if we could see through his eyes, then we could dare to love the way God loves. If we could see through his eyes, then we would understand the way God understands. For his eyes see through the surface right down to our knees, far beyond where we are to where we can be, if we could only see through his eyes.
I know that in God's providence there is a higher plan, for he alone creates a perfect heart, and he desires to see the good in each and every man, that he has purpose from the start. If we could see through his eyes,
Then we could dare to love the way God loves. If we could see through his eyes, then we would understand the way God understands.
for his eyes see through the surface right down to our knees, far beyond where we are to
all the restless nights you've wrestled through. The closest of your friends, abandoned, helpless, reaching but they're just not reaching you. You hold no valid thoughts of consolation. The future holds no interest, no concern. The world you love is closing in around you. Clearly now there's nowhere left to turn. Blessed are the tears that fall, that clean the windows of the soul, and usher in a change of heart, and bring a joy that angels know. The time has come to share your well-kept secret, the hatred and the guilt degrading you. I'm sure you blame yourself for all that's happened. This time there's just no way that's true. You need to know you've got a friend in Jesus. You need to know you felt rejected too. Humiliating pain and unjust treatment. He's been there so he knows what you've been through. Blessed are the tears that fall, that clean the windows of the soul, and usher in a change of heart, and bring the joy that angels know. Blessed are the tears that fall, that wash the stains of life away, forgiven and forgotten now. A new creation's here to stay, and God will send the merciful peacemaker, comforter of all of those who mourn. Will become the pure in heart, the earthly meek, enduring misdirected scorn. Usher in a change of heart, bring a joy that angels know. Blessed are the tears that fall, that wash the stains of life away, forgiven and forgotten now. A new creation's here to stay. Blessed are the tears that fall. Sometimes I feel like I'm just walking around with my head up in the clouds. I'm steady moving, but I'm not gaining ground. I'm standing the wrong way in the crowd. Then I remember I'm not part of this world. I'm moving higher each day. Yeah. Upward mobility sounds mighty good to me, and I just can't wait to get away. I got to remember I'm not here to stay. I'm looking forward to a brighter day. I got to remember I'm not here for long. I'm just living in my temporary home. Bothered by the problems in life, well, just don't let them get you down. Just look to Jesus, you will not be denied. He'll take you up to higher ground. And don't forget, you're a child of the King. You're an heir to his throne. You may not know just when, but he's coming back again to take us to our happy home. Yo, I got to remember I'm not here to stay. I'm looking forward to a brighter day.
Oh, yeah,
I got to remember I'm not here for long. I'm just living in my temporary home. I'm not here to stay. I'm looking forward to a brighter day.
A brighter day.
I got to remember I'm not here for long. I'm just living in my temporary home. I'm just living in my temporary home.
Blessings we've shared, so many ways Jesus has shown us he cares. Though there've been a lot of glories felt down here on this old earth, we'll have just begun when Jesus comes. When Jesus comes, the clouds will break as the trumpet sounds. There'll be glorious singing all around. There'll be rejoicing on every hand as we enter glory land. We'll have only just begun when Jesus comes. Time after time, he sends rain from above. We fall into our knees in the presence of his love, and we know